everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning to go to this cafe called Courtyard. It's in Noida and it's a very new cafe and it has a very retro theme. That's why I'm very interested. I don't care how the food is gonna be. I'm definitely gonna let you guys know how the food is though. But I have seen the aesthetics. Actually, I went there yesterday also, but yesterday they had some party due to which we couldn't, get seats there. And today we are still, again, we are trying our luck, and let's see. I hope we are able to go today. Also, I'm wearing this very simple see kurti, which I also wear in the office. I don't know why I'm wearing this. Actually, I don't understand what to wear. Normally I can wear dress and stuff like that, but I do wanna wear a kurti there. And most of the kurtis or ethnic dresses which I have are not in a good condition, and I'm not able to find a particular kurti which I love the most. Yeah, because my cupboard is messy. It's still messy. Yeah, you have seen my vlog. I think the last vlog. Everything else is clean in my room right now. I keep on dusting it. In fact, today I was not able to dust it, so आज थोड़ा dusty है. But cupboard का time नहीं मिला. But I'm definitely, it's like a call from God. I think that Dolly, you should definitely fix your cupboard because it looks really dirty. Like it's उसकी वजह से ना मुझे अपने कपड़े नहीं मिल रहे. And also I saw some ants walking there. I'm not gonna show you the entire process of makeup because I don't have time. So I'm just gonna show you how I do kajal. Okay, because that is a very different way of doing kajal, and I do wanna show you guys how I do it. And this is basically I scratched myself today in the morning when I was trying to blow my nose. Yeah, that's really stupid. I know my skin was so clear and this shit happened. Such a bad luck. I'm gonna do my base and I'm gonna write. I'll come right at you with my kajal and show you how I do my eye look and how it actually looks. I'm gonna show you this picture which I clicked yesterday, and I really like the kajal look. I hope it turns out the same way today also. Let's hope. Base I've done, you can still see it. I think it's something I cannot get rid of that easily now. So I'm just gonna show you on one side only. Okay, kajal liya. This is like a very smudgy kajal. I'm just gonna put it like this. Okay, and like this. नीचे and ऊपर. Now just elongate it a little. ज़्यादा नहीं. ओके, ज़्यादा करोगे तो फिर आप ज़्यादा लगेगा. जस्ट सेंटर में इतना काफ़ी है. एंड देन जस्ट अप्लाई थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर भी. यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई सम ब्रश टू स्मज इट. ना नीचे की तरफ. Just be careful, don't end up looking like Manjulika because there's a highly possible of that to happen when you are doing this. कुछ extra हो तो you can just remove it by using your finger. Actually this particular kajal can be easily smudged. It is not very long lasting, but the good thing is कि इसको smudge करना is very easier. Okay, so इसलिए it's very easy to make such kind of liner and do the smudging. I'm just gonna do in the other eye and get back. So this is my finished look. I'm wearing these earrings, you can see. Yeah, just to amp up the look because I feel the look is very simple. Can you see? You can't see anything, I know. You can't even see my shoes. But that's fine. Maybe बाहर जाके मैं I'll show you how I look. I'm not sure whether I should wear this bindi or not. If I think it will be a little exaggerated because this particular dress is not like very उस तरह का कि मुझे बिंदी पहननी पड़े. Bindi does look good though. Let's see. Bye. Finally, we made it to Courtyard Diner, which is in Sector 104, Greater Noida. And you can see the exteriors as well as the interiors. It's full of greenery, and you can see a vintage car outside. There was sitting outside as well, but since you know it's summers, it's already like 40 degrees Celsius here. So yeah, why would I sit outside, you know? So it was a rare day when I was actually the one who was waiting. Mostly I am the one who make people wait. So I waited for half an hour for my friend to come. You can see so many antiques and collectibles here, like from lamps to radios to phone booths to old cameras. Everything was so nostalgic. Like as a kid, I always wanted to have those cameras which I could see here, but obviously growing up, you know, I couldn't. And finally I have a phone camera, but who knew then that, you know, we will be having such kind of camera. Where we are, we follow where we are. So all in all, I found this place really aesthetic and very cozy. It looked like a small house where you can chill with your friends and family or have a house party sort of. And it also had a fish tank, which I don't know what it is called, but it looked like a fish tank which is kind of big in size. And there was also a scooter which looked very aesthetic, and I think this place looked better in the night. So you should definitely visit this place in the evenings. It's definitely worth a visit.